Hey, what's up, user? Welcome to this video. Today we are answering a big question. Can you log into your WhatsApp with an email on your laptop? Stick around because I'll show you what's the possible and the best alternatives. Let's go. First, let's clear this up. WhatsApp does not allow login with an email. WhatsApp accounts are linked to phone numbers only. You cannot enter an email to log in. But don't worry, I'll show you how to log into your WhatsApp. Let's do it. Follow this simple step to log into your WhatsApp desktop using your phone. Open web.whatsapp.com or download WhatsApp desktop on your laptop. On your phone, open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu and tap Link Device. Tap Link a device, scan the QR code on your laptop screen. Boom! You are now logged into your WhatsApp on your laptop. Super easy, right? You don't need an email, just your phone and QR code. While you can't log in with an email, you can use your email for password recovery if you are locked out. Here's how. If you enable two-step verification, WhatsApp will let you reset your PIN through email if you forget it. So, always link your email in WhatsApp setting for added security. And that's how you log in WhatsApp on your laptop. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and thank you for watching.